How to disable auto jump on your Roblox mobile application. So for this, I will take a reference to the official website and show you the actual thing that how you can do it. As there is no direct option for it, I already researched for you to the best solution, and I will let you know about this in this video. Now, here you can see that in Roblox, there is a feature when if you have hold the space bar in experiences, you have some sort of bunny hop. So how you can simply disable it or how you can reply it. Now, as you can see, there is a coding just below this question in this website that is Create a Fun. And this is the coding how you can simply disable your jump or auto jump service. You can take a screenshot of it, or you can simply copy from the home screen like can jump true, cooldown 2, and you should do these setting manually to your game or to the coding. This is how only you can do it because there is no direct feature available or there is nothing that you can exactly do this. So this is the alternative method you can follow to successfully disable your jump. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.